History can be learned from what's fallen into blue holes in the Gulf of Mexico over time. Stalactites and stalagmites can be radiocarbon dated. Cores of the bottom sediment can tell whether or not the hole had fresh water in it at any point in time.
The idea that the hole itself acts as a sediment trap, and because there are no critters living down there that stir the sediment up, when you have a storm, you dump sediment in and you get layers. And so we're trying to work out geologic history from the sediment in the bottom of these holes. The one we cored in Belize is probably the mother record of all hurricanes. We found these layers of coarse reef sand that can only get in there when there's a big storm, and it dumps it in from the sides. And we have not identified the ages of all of these, but you can certainly see the storm events in the past, and back about 2,000 years ago. We haven't gone older than that. We wish we could, but we haven't.
Marine biologist and National Geographic Society Explorer-in-Residence Sylvia Earle says archaeological treasures can likely be found by continuing to explore blue holes in the Gulf.
Right now, about 60% of the human population worldwide lives near the coast. When the coast of Florida was further offshore than it is today, when sea level was lower than it is today, people congregated around the coasts. And some of the oldest fossils or relics, archaeological finds of those who were in Florida years ago are not along the present-day shore, they're offshore.
Explorers have made significant discoveries inside at least one onshore West Central Florida sinkhole. In Warm Mineral Springs, they found bones of ice-age land mammals, a saber-toothed cat, and a giant ground sloth. The cat and a human jawbone were found in a 12,000-year-old clay layer, the best evidence yet that the two species coexisted in the Western Hemisphere. Also, a nearly complete skeleton of a Paleo-Indian was found 43 feet down. Peat surrounding it was dated at 11,000 years old. No earlier intentional burial site has been found in North America.
The quest for knowledge, and the fun aspect is that it's quite an adventure. So it's exploration, it's adventure, and there's a payoff because you can discover something new and find out new information about the world.
Important archaeological remains are just as likely to be found in offshore sinkholes and caves. But the expense and limited dive time make finding them unlikely anytime soon.
To order a video of this program, call 1-888-824-0030 or visit our website at wgcu.org. And please refer to the program number on your screen.
In partnership with Mote Marine Laboratory, In Focus on the Environment embarks on the first organized scientific investigation into blue holes in the Gulf of Mexico.
There may be unique species associated with some of these.
Blue holes are former springs, sinkholes, and caves that formed when the rising water table made Florida smaller.
It's a biological system, works completely without oxygen.
Come explore these mysteries under the Gulf floor.